Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Windows 11 from USB. Firstly, obtain a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. It's important that all data on the USB drive will be erased during the process, so back up any important files before proceeding. Now open a browser and navigate to the Windows 11 download page. Scroll to download the Windows 11 disk image ISO and click download now to save the ISO file. Visit Rufus GitHub releases and download the latest version of Rufus. Install it and launch Rufus with the local administrator privileges. Now all you have to do is insert the USB drive into your computer, open Rufus and select your USB from the device drop-down. Under boot selection, choose the downloaded Windows 11 ISO file, then click Start to create a bootable USB. Wait for the process complete and then plug the USB into your computer, restart it and press the F12 key or the key specified to your device during the startup to get to the Windows 11 installation menu. Then you can follow the steps to finish it. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.